What's up, you guys? So today I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows. So if you want to see that, just stay tuned. I'm going to start off by showing you guys the products that I use. I use the e.l.f. Dip Brow and Espresso, the Mega Clear Mascara to set them, a Morphe double-ended spoolie and angled brush, and just a white brush to conceal with. I start off by brushing both brows. And then I go in and fill them in with the e.l.f. Dip Brow and Espresso. And y'all, let's just go ahead and clear this up. You do not have to fill them in perfectly, because you are going to go in and clean them up. So, I mean, if you go out of the line just a little bit, it's okay, because you are going to clean them up with the concealer. So once I get to the front of my brow, I don't like to redip. I just use whatever's left on there, because you don't want the front of your brows to be harsh. So yeah. And then I just do the same thing to the other eyebrow as well. Fill it in by following the natural shape of your eyebrow. And y'all, if y'all hear noise in the background, I'm watching TV, so you have to excuse the loud noise on the TV. Now I'm just going in with my concealer. And y'all, I just noticed I didn't show the concealer that I used, but I used the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee. Oh, and yeah, the train is passing. I'm so sorry. But I like to use small strokes to clean my brows up. That way I can catch anything that I messed up with the dip brow and all that stuff. So yeah. And then I go in with my Real Techniques brush, and I just like to blend the concealer down. So make sure everything is well blended. And whatever I feel is not clean or I messed up on, I just go back and redo everything. Just do some touch-ups with the dip brow. And then I repeat the same steps on the other eye. I go in with my concealer and I do small strokes to clean it up. Whatever I mess up on, I always go back with my dip brow, just to make sure that my lines are straight, or if I went too high up with my concealer, I can always go back and re-clean it. But I stay as close to my natural brow shape as possible while I clean with my concealer. And now I'm just going back with the dip brow to touch up whatever I messed up on, or if I felt like I went up a little too far with the concealer. And blend it on out. Now I'm going to go in with the concealer and clean up the top of my brows. The same thing, just doing it at the top of my brows. Using the concealer to clean them and carve out my brows as in the natural shape of my brows. And going in with my Real Technique brush and blending that concealer out. Now I'm just going to repeat that on the other brow. Yeah, my contacts was getting dry. And you guys, that is pretty much it. So that is the end of this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed. And that's the finished product. See you guys next time. Peace.